Hello guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a Indo-Chinese dish named egg wrap prawn fried rice with veggies. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a humble request. Please subscribe the channel Khushi's Kitchen. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends and also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this special recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make egg wrap prawn fried rice, here I am taking 500 grams of long grain rice. First I wash them very well and dip the rice in water for 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the meanwhile, I have also marinated the prawns with salt to taste and little bit of black pepper powder and little bit of vinegar too, and keep the bowl aside. Here I have used some veggies which I have cut it into very fine slices. Some little amount of carrot, some little amount of beans, some little amount of capsicum, some little amount of white part of spring onion and also the green part too. Also I have chopped the onions and garlic too. After 45 minutes, when the rice became fluffy, here I am taking a big bowl 3/4 filled with water and also adding salt until the water becomes salty. Then also adding a little bit of vegetable oil too with the water. Now mixing the whole with the help of a ladle, cover the bowl with a lid and let the water comes to a boiling point. When the water starts boiling, I am adding the long grain rice and cooked for 4 to 5 minutes hardly until the rice becomes 80 to 85% done. Then I am taking a rice strainer and strain the rice with the help of this strainer. Now allowing the rice to become cool. After the rice became cool, then I am placing a pan on gas oven, switch on the flame on high and allows to heat the pan. When the pan become heated, then I am adding a little bit vegetable oil in it and allows the oil to be heat. When the oil become heated, then first I am adding some marinated prawns and frying a little bit until the color of the prawn turns white, but the water released from the prawns should be there. At this very moment I am adding some veggies, that is some little amount of carrot slices, beans, some amount of chopped onion and garlic, also some amount of white part of spring onion. After adding all these veggies, I am frying all the whole thing a little bit, then immediately adding the rice too. Now I am mixing all the veggies and prawns with the rice well by tossing it 1 or 2 times. Then I am also adding some little bit of soya sauce, little bit of vinegar, little bit of MSG or Ajinomoto, salt to taste and black pepper powder too, and then again mixing them well by tossing them for 2 to 3 times and then remove the whole fried rice in a bowl. Now for egg wrap fried rice, here I am taking 3 eggs, at least 2 eggs needed for making this egg wrap fried rice. Here I am taking 3 eggs. First I am adding some salt to taste and also a little bit black pepper powder too. Now whisking it well with a spoon, placing the same frying pan on a gas oven and also adding a little oil in it. When the oil becomes heated, I am pouring the whole egg mixture and making a big omelette with it by rolling the pan. When the egg omelette is ready, I am placing the prawn fried rice here on the middle of the omelette and folding the 2 sides of the egg, and then take a plate and turn the whole pan on the plate. After turning it, then I am folding the another 2 sides of the egg. Our tasty, delicious, yummy egg wrap prawn fried rice is ready to be served. Some important tips about prawn fried rice. The raw rice should be cooked up to 85% and the rest 15% will be cooked while frying the rice. The prawn should be cooked until it turns white and also releasing the water from the prawns. Then immediately adding the veggies and fry a little because the veggies should be crunchy. Then immediately adding the rice so that it can be mixed properly with the fragrance of prawns and the fragrance of veggies too. Mix the whole by tossing it 2 to 3 times and remove quickly from the pan to another bowl so that you can get the authentic aroma of Chinese recipes. And at the same time, when you are going to eat, the vegetable, prawns and rice are well cooked, as the cooking process will still continue after removing it from the flame. If you like the dish, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. I am ending today's video here for the time being with this prayer that all of you will stay well-being and will come back shortly with a new cooking recipe video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.